Okay guys, and my old box is out. I mean, I had a good idea, I had a kind of good of a setup, but like I was saying, because of the weight of the solar panel. And hello and welcome to another XTERRA video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video, once again I'm gonna work on my rooftop and reconfigure my storage setup. I already did it multiple times, different configuration, and last that what I did, I added this Pelican box for storage where I mounted my solar panel on top of it. It's all good, but first of all, it's a little bit tricky to open it up. I even had to trim these latches, and there is quite a few of these latches to open at the front, and then there is one more on each side, right? But on top of that, I also some time ago I added the gas struts, but they work for a little bit, but because of the plastic, and this is on the sun, it was starting to get deformed, and the box was not opening and it was kind of ripping out in the back, so I had to remove them. And as you can see, I cannot open it and hold it. I have to hold it because of the solar panel to get something out. So I want to change that, and I want to upgrade that, and I got something else. I got something better. This is gonna be my upgrade. Of course, it's not gonna be this cardboard box, but if you can see, it's a Rugcel. It's the same brand that I use my winches. They work pretty good. And in this case, it's a rugged case. To be honest, the Rugcel was kind enough to provide me with this box for me to install it, use it, and test it. I'm really excited about that, and I'm very thankful to them as well. Let's do a quick unboxing. Here you go guys, this is the new box by Rugcel Off-Road. Looks so much better and beefier. I feel like you actually can step on it. I'm not gonna step right now, but I probably will eventually. But it looks pretty beefy. So right here actually has a drain plug, so if for some reason you fill it up with water, or maybe use it for ice to carry cold drinks, you can drain the water over here. Also on top already has a pre-made 4 holes, mounting holes, so you can mount a MOLLE panel here or some accessories. In my case, I have to reconfigure my solar panel, and that's where I'm gonna mount my solar panel. For the handles, it has just a simple handle over here and over here. I mean, you don't really carry this box often a lot because it's pretty big. Once you mount it somewhere, that stays over there. But let's open it up. So it has only 3 latches in the front, so it's much easier just to open up from the front. You don't have to open up from the sides. And these latches, you can lock them over here with some lock. And to open it, it's very easy. You just pull them and voila! Has built-in struts, and these struts seems to be doing a perfect job. And there's a lot of space inside over here. We have some straps over here, some mounting hardware, the manual, a couple of handles as well, and a decal. Very nice. On the inside over here, you have more places to mount MOLLE panels. That's pretty nice as well. I like it. It has a seal over here, so this should be sealed up pretty good. And this is the drain hole, the one I was talking about, guys. So if you fill it up with ice and water or something, you can drain it. For the height, it's 11 inches high. It's approximately 47 inches long and about 18.5 inches wide. Now for the space inside, I would say about 8.5 inches usable space inside. Now because this edge over here, I mean, there's more space inside. As you can see, you can fit something over here up to 18 inches wide and up to 43 inches long, so you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So this looks pretty nice. I'm gonna disassemble and remove my old box, and we're gonna work on mounting this one. I gotta still see how I'm gonna mount it, figure that out. But with this hardware, this meant to go into these holes over here, and then you just secure it to your roof rack. So I'm pretty sure I can figure something out. And I mean, you can always refer to manual over here. And there is 2 provided handles. You can mount them over here in case you need to carry it, but in my case, it's just gonna live on the roof. So let me remove my old box, and we're gonna work on mounting this up. Okay guys, and my old box is out. So as you can see, I mean, I had a good idea, I had a kind of good of a setup, but like I was saying, because of the weight of the solar panel, I had to use much stronger gas struts, and because of that, when the box was closed, this on the side was actually like pulling it apart, especially on a hot day. Maybe I need to swap my solar panel for something lighter. This is a bit heavy. It's like, I don't know, maybe 20 pounds or so, I don't know. But anyways, this is out. As you can see, guys, I have plenty of space over here. Now it's the perfect time to clean up the leaves. Okay, and the box is up on the roof. So the good news, it fits in here. Now the bad news, that the latches over here, I have to figure something out. Maybe I can do some adjustments and maybe move that over, which I kind of doubt. But I just need just a little bit for the latches over here to open up. I don't really want to cut the latches over here. I mean, if I do, it still will work, it still will lock, but the box fits, so that's a good thing. So now I'm just gonna play around, see how I'm gonna secure it and mount it, and make sure that I can open up the latches. Alright, so I have to do some modification reconfiguring. These brackets that I have over here, the one that supposedly hold these boxes in place, because the way this makes a bend over here, that's what's prevent the box to go in more. So, and I'm not gonna be able to use them in the future because the box is gonna be too close, so I just have to remove them. Now to mount the box to my roof rack, I'm gonna use these two Kindles with provided hardware and these spring nuts that's gonna go inside here. I can mount it to the roof rack. The only thing, I made a little cutout over here, so that way I can always access the drain plug just like that and drain it if I need to. So that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna secure these Kindles to my roof rack. I'm gonna bolt it up or something, and then we're gonna drive the hardware through it. Alright, so once again I put rev nuts over here, 2 on one side and 2 is gonna be on the other side. I think it's gonna be fine. I used to have rev nuts for the other box and it didn't go anywhere, so now I'm gonna try to position everything and try to secure it. Alright guys, it's hard to see, but my Kindles over there installed. So now we just provided hardware. I'm gonna work and secure the box in here. Should be fine. These spring locks are getting tight in there. Gonna twist it in place by hand first. It's gonna do the other one. And now with the Allen key, the one they provided, just gonna make it tight. Now this probably not necessary, but I added a little washer underneath, so it has just a little bit more surface, and when this gets tight, it just gets tight with the washer. It doesn't bind on the plastic, but this is just optional. So the box is mounted, it's secured, it's not going anywhere, it's very secured. Now unfortunately for my installation, because the way I have everything set up and I have this bar over here which I cannot really cut, I'm gonna cut these latches over here. I'm still gonna be able to lock it and unlock it. I mean, it is what it is. I have to cut them. Alright guys, so I cut one of the latches just to test it. I'm sorry, but I had to cut it, but with the latch cut I can close it no problem, and I can open it no problem. So that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna cut the rest of them. Okay, so after a little bit of modification, the latches, they are done. And I mean, it locks, it closes, it's not gonna open up on its own, and I can open it up easy. I really like this, my new box. And of course there is much more space, a lot more stuff I can put in, so that's pretty great. And of course I can lock it up very easy. And a good thing, all the latches on this side, I don't have to go to the side, so this is much more convenient. Now unfortunately I'm not gonna use this solar panel on top. I'm not gonna use this one anymore. First of all, it's a little bit too heavy and it creates a lot of air drag. Like, my truck is very aerodynamic to begin with. I'm actually gonna look into and getting a flexible flat panel and just glue it in there, and it's gonna be much lighter and better, and it's gonna be even surface. But I really like how it came out. Now all the boxes are even, and this box looks really nice. I really like this box, so nice, and it's secured, it's not gonna go anywhere. Nice. Much later, I'm actually, guys, gonna modify this bracket, the one to hold these boxes in place. The way it sticks out like that is not good. I mean, it holds it in place, but it sticks out over here, so it's gonna interfere with that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna cut this. I already cut one of them. Now this is gonna get screwed back in there, so this is gonna be like that, and as you can see, guys, it's much better. So now this goes all the way in here, so I actually need to cut this more, But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a second small hinge over here, so when I open this up, I can actually swing it out and open it. Because with this guy, the way it is, this as far as it goes, and I'm not gonna be able to take these boxes out. So I'm gonna modify it a lot. There you go, this is something like that. Now over here I was not able to put a bolt with a nut because that's right on the box. So I just put 2 self-stoppers and then I just send it off. So now I'm gonna assemble this, and I think this is gonna be pretty good like that. Alright, so this is something like that, and as you can see, it swings out all the way. I can take my box, can put it in place, and there you go. It locks in. Much better and easier to work than having my straps, which was my temporary solution when I was reorganizing all of that. Nice. So now I'm just gonna finish up the same over there. Alright, now that this has been fixed and this has much better angle, pretty much very slick with the boxes, this opens up just perfect for me. I can put whatever I need in here, and over here it's fine. I'm happy. Yeah, this is good now. Alright guys, the box is installed. It fits great for my needs. I really like it. To mount it, it's very easy. It's provided hardware or with the ratchet straps, the one that also comes with it. So there's multiple ways to keep it secured. I mounted to my roof rack, and I had to trim the latches a little bit, but no big deal, it still worked. I'm very happy with this box. It's much bigger, it's much stronger, and those gas struts actually work, and they lift up the cover, and it's not gonna get deformed. This box is a heavy duty. I actually lay on it, I walked on it when I was mounting it, and it did not deform or anything. And I really like the way that it's actually right now all of my boxes are the same height and same level. I think this was a success. I think it all came out pretty nice. Like I said, I'm not gonna mount the same solar panel. I'm gonna get a flat flexible solar panel, smaller probably, even I don't need that much, smaller probably, and mount it over there. So I'll see how that's gonna work out. But other than that, this is all done. I think this came out really nice. I really wanted to have a bigger, more heavy duty box like that for a long time, and finally I have it. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.